Hello everybody, what is going on? Welcome back to Great North Gardener. I'm so excited you're here. I'm even more jazzed about today's topic because we're diving into the fantastic world of climbing plants. Get this, we're not just talking about any plants, oh no, we're about to unlock the secrets of growing climbing plants that give you both food and flowers. That's right, double the reward, double the fun. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, get ready for loads of tips and tricks. Let's get growing. First up, we have the passion flower. Now, if you want a showstopper in your garden, this is it. Seriously, the flowers look like they're straight out of some tropical paradise. They've got these crazy cool colors and patterns, purples, blues, whites, you name it. And the best part, they produce these sweet egg-shaped fruits called passion fruits. You can eat them fresh, make juice, or even add them to desserts for a zingy kick. Now, passion flowers love a good sunbathing session, so make sure you plant them in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunshine a day. They're not too fussy about soil, but good drainage is key, alright? You don't want soggy roots. Oh, and one more thing, these bad boys love to climb, so give them a trellis, pergola, or even a fence to latch onto. Trust me, when those vibrant flowers start blooming and those exotic fruits start popping up, you'll be thanking me. Alright, let's talk honeysuckle. If you're a fan of amazing smells, then you're gonna love this one. Honeysuckle flowers are like little perfume factories, releasing the sweetest fragrance, especially in the evenings. It's like aromatherapy right in your backyard. But here's the thing, not all honeysuckles are created equal when it comes to edible berries. Some varieties have poisonous berries, so make sure you do your research and pick a variety that's safe to eat. Now, honeysuckles are pretty low maintenance. They can handle some shade, but they bloom best in full sun. They're not too picky about soil either. But like our friend the passion flower, they need good drainage. And yeah, they love to climb, so give them something to climb on, like an arbor or a pergola. Imagine sitting under a honeysuckle-covered arbor, the sweet scent filling the air, pure bliss. Now we're moving on to something a bit different, the kiwi vine. Yeah, you heard me right. The same kiwi you find in the grocery store can be grown in your backyard. Now these guys can get big, like really big, so they need a sturdy support system. Think strong pergolas, arbors, or even a dedicated fence. And here's the kicker, you'll need both a male and female plant to get those delicious fruits. It's like a kiwi matchmaking service. But trust me, the effort is worth it. Imagine biting into a juicy homegrown kiwi, bursting with flavor. Plus, the vines themselves are pretty cool, with their fuzzy stems and those iconic heart-shaped leaves. Let's talk about a classic climber, the grapevine. Seriously, who doesn't love grapes? They're juicy, sweet, and you can turn them into all sorts of goodies like juice, jam, and even wine. Now, grapevines need plenty of sunshine and good air circulation to thrive. They're not fans of soggy roots either, so make sure your soil drains well, and don't be afraid to prune them back in the dormant season. It might seem harsh, but it actually encourages more fruit production. Imagine, you'll be out there tending your vines, picking grapes straight off the vine and feeling like a true vintner. Next up, we've got climbing roses. Now, if you're looking to add a touch of romance and elegance to your garden, look no further. Climbing roses produce these stunning blooms that can range from classic red to delicate pinks, sunny yellows, and even pure white. And the best part is, they keep blooming throughout the season. Plus, you can use the rose hips, which are the fruit of the rose, to make tea, jam, and even skincare products. Now, roses do need a bit of TLC. They prefer well-drained soil, regular watering, and a good dose of sunshine. But with a little care and attention, they'll reward you with an abundance of beautiful blooms. Now, let's talk about a plant that's both beautiful and delicious, the scarlet runner bean. This climber is a triple threat. It's got vibrant red flowers that attract pollinators, edible beans that taste delicious, and it even adds nitrogen to the soil, making it a great companion plant for other veggies. Talk about a multitasker. Now, scarlet runner beans need a good support system, like a trellis or a teepee to climb on. They also prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. And here's a tip pinch off the tips of the vines once they reach the top of your support structure. This will encourage bushier growth and more flowers, which means more beans for you. Alright, let's talk about a plant that's known for its intoxicating fragrance, jasmine. Seriously, the scent of jasmine is enough to transport you to a peaceful oasis. It's sweet, floral, and totally irresistible. You can find jasmine in a variety of colors, but the most common ones are white and yellow. And guess what? You can use jasmine flowers to make tea, perfumes, and even essential oils. Now, jasmine needs a bit of warmth and sunshine to thrive, so it's best suited for warmer climates. But don't worry, if you live in a cooler region, you can always grow jasmine in a pot and bring it indoors during the colder months. Next up, we have a plant that's known for its dramatic beauty, wisteria. Seriously, when wisteria blooms, it's like a waterfall of flowers cascading down from the sky. The blooms can range in color from purple and blue to pink and white, and they're often fragrant, filling the air with a sweet, grape-like scent. Now, wisteria can be a bit of a diva to grow. It needs a sturdy support system, like a pergola or an arbor, because it can get heavy, especially when it's in full bloom. It also needs well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. But trust me, the effort is worth it. When that wisteria blooms, it's a sight you won't soon forget. Last but not least, let's talk about a plant that's sure to brighten up your garden. The black-eyed Susan vine. This climber is a real head-turner with its cheerful, daisy-like flowers that come in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, and red. And the best part is, they bloom all summer long. Now, black-eyed Susan vines are super easy to grow. They're not too fussy about soil, but they do appreciate good drainage. They also prefer full sun to partial shade. And here's a tip. If you want to encourage bushier growth and more flowers, pinch back the tips of the vines when they're young. So there you have it. 9 amazing climbing plants that will bring you both beauty and bounty. I hope you enjoyed learning about these awesome climbers as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these climbers are you most excited to grow in your garden? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.